Hey everyone, this is Shira. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to launch your passion project. Today is also the launch day of my passion project, which is Belamia-Ocampo.com. It is a lifestyle stationery product, which is an online-based product business. I want to share to you how I was able to launch this business and also to inspire and to encourage you to do your passion project. If you're interested to launch your passion project, keep on watching. I will also show you the products of my stationery line. And also in this video, I'll be talking about a giveaway, so make sure to watch this video from start to finish. I've talked about how to get back to your passion and why you should get back to your passion. I will leave them in the cards here so you would understand more about passion. First step that you need to do is that you need to test your idea. Before I launched, I did commissions and other projects that is related to art. In order for you to test your idea, you need to create product prototypes. These product prototypes will be the product you wanted to show to your ideal customers. You need to identify your ideal customers. What are their struggles? What are their pain points? What gap in the market that you wanted to bridge that differentiate your idea or business idea to other competitors. After that, you need to do surveys to your ideal customers. It could be a stranger or a friend that you see as your ideal customer. The next thing that you need to do is competitors research. You need to research the businesses that has the same type of your business in order for you to position yourself in the market. Who are your competitors in the local business, in a nationwide or international business, so that you would be able to know their brand and how they were able to market and to reach to their audience or customers. It will also help you to be inspired with how they were able to build their business from the beginning and how they were able to sustain their business. Second step is that you need to play with your strengths and skills. Do not dwell with your weaknesses. So in a short span of time on building your passion project or building your business, you need to know your strength and you do not need to dwell with your weaknesses. In the process, you can improve your weaknesses in order for you to have a better business. But in the beginning, we need to maximize your strengths and skills so that we will move forward faster launching your passion project. One of the struggles that I've experienced took me 2 years before I've decided to push this passion project. I dwell in the idea that I don't have a business degree, so I thought that only business degree students, only people who graduated in business can only create businesses. So that is my limiting belief. After testing the idea and identifying your strength, you need to create the product. During the creation of the product, you need to share the process, the messy work in creating your product. Nowadays, people are more connected with people who are able to share the behind the scenes of their product making. It allows the audience to be more relatable with your experience because they were able to feel your struggles, how you're able to come up with the idea, and the meaning behind the work purpose of your business or your passion project. Art Shop is designed for you to be inspired, to love yourself, and to share your love to others. Loving yourself means you're willing to know yourself deeply, being aware, self-care, and also pursuing your goals in life. All the products in Art Shop supports that movement. Also, I was able to share my skill in art. In our launch, we have 3 products: the calendar, the cards, and the stickers. The calendar is created to inspire you to plan your dream in order for it to be a goal. So by being aware of how to track your habits or routine and to know your productive time and your accomplishments as you move to your goal. The purpose of the cards is to be connected with the people that you love. In this information age, it is easier to express our emotions or our feelings through just a text or a chat or a post on social media. But in this way, we will be able to connect with people in present moment and be able to express ourselves in an old-fashioned way, because way back when I was a child, every time there's an occasion, whether it's birthday or Christmas, I create a card and give it to my parents. That's my way of expressing my love to them. That's why I really want to share that kind of way of expressing your love to the people around you. Stickers are my watercolor artworks that I've been posting in my social media. If you've been following me, you've seen these photos, but this time I want this to be shared to you, so you will be able to be inspired to create art. At the same time, you can use this in your journaling or in your projects. Those are the 3 products that I'll be launching in my art shop. In the next month, we will be adding more products, or depending upon your feedback, because I believe that feedback is also important in nurturing and growing a business, because business will not be built without the customers or the audience. Before launching your product, you need to talk about it constantly in your social media. Again, if you follow me, I've been talking about this and I've been sharing you behind the scenes in the process of making this passion project. Step is to launch your passion project. Even though you feel like it is not yet perfect, you need to launch it, because you will never know until you show it to people. I've been inspired by the book title of Austin Kleon, which is Show Your Work, because in the process you will be able to improve your product or services, and it will also help you to gain confidence and to be able to receive constructive feedback from your customers. In the launch date, you can provide a valuable resource like this video. I'm sharing to you the step-by-step process and how I was able to launch my passion project. And you can also create this type of video so that your audience will know how you're able to come up with this idea and turn it into reality. So you can give a giveaway or a promo during your launch day. This video is going to give a giveaway to 3 lucky winners. In order for you to join the giveaway, you need to create a post, whether on Facebook or Instagram, using the hashtag #ArtShopGiveaway and answering the 2 questions, which is what do you love about yourself and how do you share your love to others. Just make sure to public your post so that we will be able to see your post and so that we could repost your content. Photo of the post depends upon your creativity and how you wanted to portray the message or the answer of the giveaway. I hope that you've learned a lot in this video, and thank you for watching and being part of my passion project. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!